Good morning. Time check is 3:52. Dark spot corrector here. Kasi dito lang meron. After ng skin corrector, YOU Deep Moisturizing Cream. YOU Sunbrella for my sunscreen. So this is my final look. Ayan, dinali ko lang yung buko para mamaya hindi umampas sa mukha ko. Ayan ang likod.
Sabi yung parang mga assist ko ba? Mga kaibigan. Sabi niya aga-aga naman ito.
Salamat naman, tumila na.
Yes.
Hydrate.
Yun po talaga dahil ang sabi na.
And 2 kilometers. Done 5K. Yay, congrats to us. We survived. Ayan, natapos din ang 5K. Despite the rain, kukunin namin aming medal. Bigyan namin ng medal. Yay! This is it! 19-20-25, my very first 5K run. 5K done. It's not about the time, it's about the courage to start. Diba sis? Congrats sis!
Thank you! Woo!